So my sister is supposed to be joining me. Just waiting on her. Bring them on camera. Add.
Okay.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you clearly.
I hear phone, girl.
No. Hold on, let me. Why is it the way?
It
Are you
just,
seeing me?
don't worry, I said. I can see you, you can see me. Don't worry, I said. Don't disrupt the peace right now.
Okay. Who is here live? Let me go and follow it on
Yeah,
the
you have
other
to go and
phone.
check because I won't be able to check who's live. Let me know who I follow. Because I haven't been on Facebook for so long. People are like, we're struggling live.
Yeah. And this is the first time Makayla is on Facebook.
Hi, Nafi. Makayla, Nafi.
Alright, let me share it.
Yeah, what was wrong with
I'm not I keep hearing like feedback. Feedback and this rustling rattling sound like
Are your phone? I saw you go on your phone off.
you know say your face. Oh, did you hear a sneeze? Hold on, I'm sharing it
Is that
on.
my little pumpkin noodles?
Yes.
So actually, you have to tell people on your page to come on my thing. I think it's public, so people should be able to come and watch it.
But here's the thing now. I'm not logged in. Oh, I probably have to log out because I'm logged in on Live Well page Earth. Okay, so while we do that, we can also tell people what this is all about. Oh, your video come clear. Good now.
I said your phone. I just tell us that your phone.
Anyways.
Girl.
Yeah, that's that. Watch out. Remember my Facebook password.
Bombas.
Okay, now what is the Facebook password? Oh God. Oh God.
Anyway.
Okay, so 21 questions. It is a game. Incorrect password. It's a game, right? That we're going to be playing live. This is the first time we're doing this on Facebook, right?
Yes.
And basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna encourage, well, we're gonna ask, I think we should do it in rounds. So we're going to do 10 at a time and 10.
No, let's do
10,
it.
you
No,
10.
no matter that. Let's do it alternately. So you do one, I do one.
Oh, like that, alternately. All right, fine. So each of us will answer 21 questions, which would equal to 21 plus 21 now.
42, you not got school?
Yes. So in total, we're gonna answer 42 questions.
Mommy, I watch this. No, Sam. This December.
No, Mommy's not watching this. Mommy's not watching this. So 42 questions, right? We're gonna be answering it, and basically, the answers, we who create the question decide the answer. So there may be other answers though, but this is our life. Okay?
So wait.
And
So hold on. So if I ask you a question, I decide what the answer should be, or you decide what the answer.
No, you decide the answer.
Oh, I decided.
That means
Oh, sorry. Okay, coming like that two different somewhere. But all right, ask the first question. Oh, before we
Oh,
do
say,
that, before we even do that, welcome
please
to
pick up the
everybody
people
that is
then.
on our live. Welcome to this is
Yeah,
the first in a very long time that me and my sister are going live, and we're doing a 21 questions game, which she tell me something different, and me have a completely different thing here, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Okay.
So wait, before we start, so what is your understanding then?
My understanding is that I'm gonna ask you 21 questions, mostly like sibling slash relationship questions, like relationship as in sister relationship.
Okay, fine. It was supposed to be quiz-based questions. That's what I
Listen, now
said.
ask me no trivia question. Brain.
Us Christ. It's gonna be fun. Okay,
Can't
so
ask me no trivia question, no.
they're not hard.
If me didn't know say this, me have a moon about that phone.
Us Christ.
Alright. Okay.
Guys, this is our natural way of communicating.
This is pretty much how we come in. But actually, me have one completely different set of questions. So me can ask my
Okay,
question.
but we're gonna rock it. You know, Makeda, a rock it.
Yeah, so you ask your question, me ask my question.
All right, so the first question is number one. Oh, and I'm keeping score. So I keep your score, you keep my. Oh, then no score.
No score.
Okay, fine. First question. Number one. Test. Who is the girl's them sugar? You have 5 seconds to answer.
Beanie Man.
Okay, your question.
Okay. Who is the owner?
Next and up.
Okay, so what you have to say, like, say,
Huh?
alright, your time now.
Okay, number two. Name one female DJ, as in this jock in Jamaica. 5 seconds.
DJ Spots.
Ratchet or one. Well,
Okay.
you're supposed to keep. Oh, you're not keep score, no score.
So me can ask you one of my questions.
Yes.
Maybe like so if we do this trivia and then we can move on to my question then.
Did you hear mommy?
What mommy said? What mommy
Mama said we can't find no funny, you know.
Mommy, tell me.
Guys, we are live on Tessenie's live Facebook.
Alright.
Okay, if for the people who are just joining, this is Lady Saw.
Yeah, thanks to my sister.
All right. Number three. What is the Jamaican word for the command go home?
Warm.
Next.
What is Jamaica's? Where can you find the most provocative statue in Jamaica?
Imagination part.
You lose already. I take too long to answer.
No. I'm too arm with
Alright, your question.
Okay. All right. Makeda.
You're Makeda. Makeda, you're in your game.
Okay.
What mommy said?
She shouted for an answer. Okay. Next question. What is the Jamaican word for feeble?
Fenke.
Your body?
So hold on.
Next one.
Okay. What is the name of the beach on Jamaica's south coast? Name one beach on Jamaica's south coast.
Treasure Beach, okay?
Treasure Beach up on the South Coast?
Okay. St. Elizabeth not upon the South Coast.
Oh, me think did I go to Bluefields Beach? Yes, the Ashani said Bluefields. Oh,
Like
you come from
Bluefields.
Ashleigh?
No, but
Alright.
so St. Elizabeth is the South Coast.
Sure, okay.
Okay. Yes, a beach.
Alright.
Okay, next one. What is Vibes Cartel's number?
What? Me don't know that. After me and Vibes Cartel, I don't know why me I know him number.
254 721 and 211 and. You never know that. Anybody who know the name of the song, put it in the comments. See somebody say, you don't know that song.
Okay.
254
Watch
Hey.
this. Tika, nobody never ask you anything.
They can't answer to.
Just jumping.
Come,
Alright.
you next.
Alright, my time. Alright. Who say which artist sing say girl you make my day?
Girl, you made my day. Oh yeah.
Actually, seriously?
That.
Buju Banton.
Oh, I not him sing the part there.
I him sing that song that actually.
Yes, but him sing the rough up part. Okay, finish this line. Rain a fall,
Breeze
breeze
a
a
blow,
blow.
chicken body out the door.
All right.
Oh, here, mommy, no.
Okay.
You know?
Her response is delayed because I guess she's seen it delayed.
Oh,
She
okay.
keep her answer after.
Okay. All right. One more question and then we'll go into my questions.
Okay, what number? Hold on, let me check and
I
see
don't
what
even know
number
which
that
number we're there. No, my time for ask still.
Hold on, but me just want to see what number we're at.
I don't remember. I not check.
I'm gonna check. Okay, so you go ask your 7th question now.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? What is GAS?
Gas.
What is TAS? Hurry up.
TAS.
Yeah.
Pass.
What is VAS? Answer fast now.
Pass.
What is VAS?
Pass.
What is LAS?
Last.
What is DAS?
That
What is WAS?
was. You did right there. Okay, come. Let me ask one of my trivia and then we will go to the first the what? Well, your idea of the game. Finish the line. Jello.
Love the right to face. Yo. Nobody not gonna know where to talk about with that one, Ashleigh.
That is from an African movie. Well, they didn't say rice and peas, but I was eating rice and peas at the time.
So we just say rice and peas.
I couldn't figure out what the African song was, so you keep on saying jello. So I said, love the rice and peas.
Yo, me can't believe say I tell people that.
It's alright, people know some goofy. Okay, your question though. Okay,
so
explain
now we
your
get to the version of the game with my version, the fun version. Ready?
So this never fun. Look how you did that laugh.
Because you stutter a while ago. Me didn't know say you stutter.
You never know.
Alright.
I struggle with that stuff.
You ready for your question?
Sure.
Ready for your question?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What is the nickname the family calls me?
What?
What?
No, repeat the question, miss.
What nickname does the family call me?
Allison.
No. Maybe
Ali.
Michelle said mommy. What mommy called me?
Pocahontas.
Yes. Alright.
But you can't say family. Okay, my question now, right? Yeah. How many children does grandma have?
6.
Oh!
You think me? No, you think me about fun? Okay. Did you wanna go there? You wanna go there? Okay. Alright.
TC's enjoying this game. With this? Hold on, we need to go on.
If I were an animal, what would I be?
A tiger.
Yay! You get that one.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
If I were an animal, what would I?
You would be blue out of Rio. Remember the movie that Rio? You are blue. You wanna be one parrot, one bird?
No, parrot. God tell me, Maria.
Okay, so what kind of animal would that be?
I would be a bird. No, but not a parrot. I would be another type of bird. I just don't know.
So bird.
I don't know, like a hummingbird. Like I sing to my baby all the time, you know.
Okay.
All right. No. Come, Ashleigh-Ann is enjoying it so much. All right. If you're just joining, guys, this is our 21 questions live, right? So you can ask questions. We'll take them at the end. But for now, we are asking each other questions. Shoot, Tess.
Okay. What do you do that annoys me the most?
Beg you for food when you're eating?
That's how one something. That does annoy me, but I didn't think you were gonna go there. You know me to get it out, go? You remember what? With 2 fingers? You're using 2 fingers.
You trouble me, but you really got that.
I should remember saying you using 3 fingers.
Let us go to a commercial break. Next question. Okay. You wanna go there? You wanna go there?
Alright, your question.
Which university was I accepted to first? Mommy! You take me down. Yes, Mom, because Mommy, come out of that.
Mommy, you can't in that life. Oh, Mommy, feel that like, oh, what is man? Really question that. Mommy, you can't.
Okay, what I just.
Mommy said, come outside live.
Oh my God. Yeah, that was a commercial break. Okay, back to your question. Yes. What number you ask?
Me not know, me not take no check.
Okay, go on.
Why everything I fit take check? This okay. What is my favorite ice cream flavor?
Rum and raisin. Mom, stop.
Mommy to come outside game.
Okay.
You ask
my question now. Which fruit I'm allergic to? Or not allergic, but I don't like it.
Fruit? Every fruit. I draw.
You know say your favorite.
Jackfruit?
Yeah.
You know say I guess a while ago.
Oh, if you guess.
I guess a while ago.
By the time you eat no fight and spend it.
Okay.
About you.
In what ways? Name 2 ways that we're polar opposites.
Okay, you like makeup, I don't. And I love researching and doing something, and sometimes you can't believe it.
Actually, me love research too. So you should try something else. I thought you were gonna go more along the lines of like fashion.
Okay, yes, you're a model. I'm a journalist.
That not nothing to do with this still, but okay. And you say makeup.
Hold on.
Yeah, but not because you're a model. I don't know. I just feel like I'm more inclined to dress up than you. Like you more relaxed than more.
Model, journalist.
All right. Your question.
Okay. My question. My question. Which page am I from?
Seriously? Sometimes I'm not sure. You know, say when you did bad, watch my earring drop out.
Answer my question.
You know, say St. James. But you know, say when you did bad, we did a one that's still enough. Nikki, and so me dress up like hottie all the time. I don't dress up like hottie.
It's just that you are more fashion, as you say, fashion inclined. You understand? I'm not the fashionista type of person. I will, honestly, big man thing, wear uniform every day. I don't have a problem.
True, that's true.
Right? Okay. Your question.
Which one of us is more emotional? Answer careful or your answer now. Careful or your
I think me.
Yes. You are more emotional.
Why you say I'm more emotional?
Because I will more vocalize my feelings on the spot. I deal with it right there. You
internalize.
Yes. I'm more emotional.
Bubble we are bubble. Bubble we are bubble like a concert.
Exactly. Your question.
Okay. Who in the family is the loudest?
That's a one trick question. Mommy.
Ashleigh-Ann and Tika can tell us if that answer is correct. Your question.
What mommy said a while ago?
Don't talk about being alive.
Mommy, you're the loudest.
But it's a show though. Next.
Big up, baby. No, this is live than something else. Mommy, a joke.
This is a drama live.
What do you like most about me? One thing.
Hold on, but then how are you gonna know the answer? Or me decide the answer?
Alright, wait. Which one of us is more domesticated?
Yo! Okay. You wanna go there?
Yeah.
Alright. Which one of us
feel unbalanced with the one earring? Hold on, I go for my earring.
Okay. So guys, let me just read some of the comments. Ashani said, here Auntie Dan, yes, that is, and Nikki Ann is here, said Auntie Dan loud.
Yeah, mommy loud.
Tika said no for them.
Me love mommy. I love my mother, but she loud.
Oh, Nikki says, personality, she's always talking about your personality. Well,
my
I guess,
personality?
Yeah. And Marlon, I don't know Marlon. Marlon says, hi, Tess.
Hi, Marlon.
Guys,
Marlon and I used to work together at Beaches Basketball.
Okay, hi, Marlon from Beaches Basketball. All right, can I go back to my questions now?
All right, your question.
Okay, right? I'm gonna know why you never follow the instructions, but that's all right. Finish this line. All a man's way.
Me just feel like so then question they shouldn't ask because they kind of like like a just inside question. Ask dancehall trivia. Look how me I take a game and make it into a me want make it. This is typically what happens in our relationship. All the man's way seem right to him, but motive is weighed by God.
Okay. Your question.
Who sing? I'm going to say the lyrics, and you have to tell me who sing the song.
All right.
Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely
Dennis
goodness.
Brown.
You can't go on now, sister. Okay, alright.
You want me to get one?
Give me one.
You want me to get one?
Give me one.
Me never have this one. Never have this now. But I'm going to drop it on you. You understand?
Drop it.
Okay. Thought I could live without you. Thought everything would be fine.
Thought I'd be special without you. Berry salmon. Hey, girl, going.
Oh. Okay.
Alright.
All right. Oh, you.
What is the name of Bob Marley's youngest child?
What?
What?
I didn't hear that.
Of Bob Marley's youngest child.
Oh my! I actually don't know. Oh, Damian Marley.
Yeah. Oh God.
Anyway, my question. Finish this line. We little but we.
Talawa.
Okay, your question.
What is the name of the singer who was on The Voice from Jamaica?
Oh my, several, but the first one was Tessenie.
Me should have said the first one. I should have said the first singer to get on The Voice from Jamaica. Tessenie. All right, one. Your question.
Okay, my question. Go say it in the school challenge quiz, boys.
Yes.
This is a music question.
Yes.
Look at the screen. Okay. Which woman wants to feel like the only girl in the world?
That woman would be Rihanna.
Okay. Your question.
My question is dance hall trivia. Which artist said, "When I fling it up from the left, hoist it up from the right"?
Lady Talk?
Yes. You know that song there?
Hey, you know, so when you sing, when you say Lady Talk lyrics in English, it's still wrong.
It's still wrong. When I fling it up from the left.
Wait, hold on. You remember a moment, let me laugh you out.
Your titi is a hello.
She should have put at the dynamite.
Yeah, mommy. Mommy now say nothing yet. Wait.
No, she stopped watching. Because I don't know if she thinks she must answer the question. Right? Alright.
Right, yeah.
Okay. I have one.
Yeah.
How many siblings does Makeda have?
0. What a nice question. I have a question.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
How long is a Chinese man? How long is a Chinese man? Ask mommy to help you.
Oh, hold on.
Okay.
I get it.
You got it. For those who don't know,
all right.
There's a popular is a priest, right, Ashleigh?
Priest, yeah, Catholic
priest in
priest.
Jamaica of Asian descent. His name is Father Holong. So we say Holong.
I don't know about Father Holong.
What?
I don't know you know about Father Holong.
No, you want me to throw the book into the phone in your face?
Listen, Tess, everything have to be fancy dancy with you. Show me the book again. Why is it pretty? I'm using my phone, I'm going with it. Oh, really? Anyway, this is easy.
Mommy's still here. Mommy.
Okay, before WhatsApp, which service
What's
was
the
the most popular? Was the most
BBM?
popular?
Hey.
Yeah. All right, go back to your question. Where's that?
Yo, that's a good question, TC. Actually, what are the colors for curves, class, and mimosas?
Pink and
That's
white,
and
black.
thank you.
Okay.
You look nervous a while ago.
Nervous.
Nervous a while ago. Okay.
Tika, really? Anyway, back to the personal questions now.
Okay, back to the personal question. You asked me one.
How many cousins do we have?
Maratin, actually, you can't ask me a question there. Okay. Me only know how much cousin in my age group. 30.
I don't know the answer.
Me have to go work out that one day. We have to go do it, man.
We have to work it out. We have a big family.
We have to do that.
A very big family.
We have to do it.
Yeah. Mommy, can you answer that question? That would be very good.
Yeah, mommy, how many cousins we have?
Yeah.
Are you ask me if I ask you know?
Yeah.
If I could go to any country in the world, where would I go?
Oh no. Ethiopia. Yeah?
Me know what you're talking about. It's not that. I thought you would say any country that has a beach.
Come on.
Me think I don't should go for.
Oh, I thought you were going to based on your name because you want to go back and discover the place. I just couldn't remember the name. The Testan.
Oh, Tessenie. In
Yeah,
always say the
Tessenie.
name wrong. It's Eritrea. I think it's Eritrea.
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 Where is that?
That is in East Africa.
East Africa.
Yes.
All right. My question.
Yes.
What is the name of our oldest uncle?
Ian. Mommy said multiply on uncle and auntie by 3. What?
Okay, anyway, come back.
His name is Ian.
What's his current name? Okay.
Say to someone I know my uncle name.
Your question.
Alright, you ready for this now?
Ready.
What is the age difference between our youngest aunt and me?
It's not Ian, it's Aeon. That's what she said. I don't know, 7 years?
Wrong. You're wrong.
What's the current?
It's actually 14 years.
Just 14 when okay.
Yeah. Asa? Mommy Asa?
Mommy can correct. Hello, hold on. What if you ask mommy for so? You can't ask question and don't know the answer.
Alright, you ask me now.
Okay. How many family reunions have we had? On mommy's side.
Actually, that is a very unfair question because a long time I moved out of Montego Bay. I'm going to guess 5.
No. How about 2?
Yes, 2. No, man, no more than 2.
No, for sure. As in a big one where everybody probably like.
Well,
I mean, Ashleigh and Tika can correct me if we're wrong.
No, some more than 2. I feel like I miss more than 2 family reunions.
It's where the comments them there. Oh, so mommy's saying the correct answer. Mama said Diane.
Mommy, thank you for spelling Uncle Ian's name. I know if it's spelling.
It's Aeon. Okay, it's not Ian. Jody's laughing. Thank you for joining live, Jody. All right, next question.
I mean, are you asking me? So I'm if you ask you, okay.
Okay.
If my life was a movie, which actor would play me?
Janet Jackson.
But you want to call Janet an actress now, would you?
Hello,
She's done a
why
little
did I
bit,
get
yes.
married?
She's done, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, she'd been in.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay. If my life was a movie, which actress would be me?
Oh God.
J-Lo.
Why you don't want J-Lo to act here? J-Lo not even black.
That's right. I listen, mama always said me like J-Lo from my lip. Come on, man.
No, we're not going. No J-Lo around here. Choose one different lady. Come
But
on.
you know me like J-Lo from Selena.
Biddy, but we're not. No. No.
Oh,
See,
Ashleigh-Ann.
Ashani said she only know about two. Ashani, me only know
Yeah,
about
exactly.
one.
Nikki said not J-Lo. What's wrong with
That's
J-Lo?
what I mean, what she come about J-Lo.
She's been in and out of marriages, but come on,
J-Lo
man.
is
She's
not
just
a black woman. She cannot play you.
so what?
T has said.
Okay.
If I was to maybe, you know who I think would play you, like Kerry Washington minus the facial expressions.
Mr. A, Kerry Washington.
Yeah, she has some facial expressions, or really just. But
maybe I do know.
what mommy said?
Yes. What you were saying about their facial expressions?
Mommy said. Tess, can I get some love? It's Jillian. Jilly, I didn't see. I'm so sorry. I didn't see your comments. I'm so sorry.
Oh, she's enjoying the live, Jill. Thank you for joining, Jill.
Jillian, how's your son? He must be like grown man now. But yeah, that's my friend Jillian from Chicago. We met a long time ago.
Hi, Jillian from Chicago.
Yes.
All right. You have any more questions? You want to go back to my question? I think we're past 42 questions.
I feel so. So you don't want to ask some more questions?
Yes.
So ask more questions.
Okay, let's do. Let me see what time is it now. Okay, yeah. So let's do 5 more questions each.
Okay.
All right. So any mix of trivia or personal.
Okay. Who say?
Okay, while you think of your question,
yes.
let me ask one.
Yeah.
Which Jamaican is known as the Brown Godzilla?
You know, I was just gonna make up a question of Bounty Killer. Seriously, I was just gonna make up a question. I was thinking of a song that he did that you would probably know. If it's a finished lyric, but then
all it did have to say is "I are the one" or "Cross-hungred miserable."
That's too easy.
You understand?
Nikki said Ashley a lipstick. Turn up. Nikki, I can tell you a story about that lipstick.
What's the story?
Ashley, no, me went teeth a lipstick.
It's not teeth, okay? I got that lipstick from you. Okay, you said I wore it at the Caribbean something like that, pageant.
Oh, me did give one.
And
oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Okay, so it's not theft. Who just joined the live? Understand? Okay, next question.
Mommy said she have a question. Mommy, what's your question?
No. We'll take the questions last. Questions last. Your question.
Okay. Finish this lyric. Because them know me have the city well LOC. K.
I want the DEM.
I want to some girl and her pop down friend.
That's just an old song.
But it shows how much dancehall you know though.
Okay. You want to try?
But as you know,
You want to try?
Alright, your turn.
All right. No, I'm not finish no lyrics. This is easy. Okay. It is rumored. Listen clearly. It is rumored that the government has sold the country or many of the country's assets to investors from a specific country.
China.
Name the country.
China.
All right. Your question now.
Tess, you tie your hair like your great grandmother. Thank you, mommy. Which question I have no?
Oh, she did. Oh, mommy.
She know because grandma tell her. What?
Grandma just tell her. Okay. Don't know. She really don't know.
I see you know some can't do it. Because mommy got focus, you know.
Next, hurry up.
May I try to think of one question for us? Ask more next one.
Okay. How many years apart is Tika and yourself?
Jesus, why you not do that? 8.
Wrong.
8.
Wrong.
So what?
So you and I aren't we like 6 years apart?
6 years apart, and you're 2 years older than TC. Okay.
Correct.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
So yeah, we'll just check.
Mommy said, "Who in the family don't look for anything?"
No, mommy. Don't take her question. Your question now.
Where's the brother?
By the way, guys, they're trying to say that I don't look for things, but here's the thing. You see, if people just leave things where they are usually, then it would be easier to find things. But you see, we have a mother who likes to organize.
Yeah, and you want to
organize.
Yeah.
And organize some more.
Yeah.
Next question.
Who's Actually, you know, so we can't think of no song right now. I mean, I know.
So this is not be a song, can be something else.
Alright.
Pop culture, general knowledge. You see if you did do your homework.
What is the easternmost part of the island?
Moran Point.
Oh, you have sense to it.
My bright, you know. My question, right? What is it eastern? Westerly. Western. Western near western. That point. So you have easterly or the western? No, I think it's Nickel Point. There's an ad that says from Nickel Point to Moran Point, from Moran Point to Nickel.
Okay, you're ready for the question?
Yeah, something like that.
What is
I mean, somebody can correct.
It's alright. Alright. You take it.
Sorry. You.
Alright.
This is number.
What is the name of Jamaica's first TV station?
JBC.
Oh, you know.
I work in media. Oh my God.
Okay. We never say you'd have to know that for.
Okay. Finish what you know. Finish the lyric. Earth I run red.
10-year-old look them on a tea bread.
You actually what?
Actually, sing it. Actually, finish the lyric. Why say?
No, what did you just say? What did you say? Because that's not what.
You finish the lyric. I said, what the song said? Earth
You
run
sing it.
red. Earth run red what?
No, sing it.
No, me not singing. You sing
No,
it.
sing it and then me sing it. Sing the rest.
10-year
So you sing it. Come now.
Okay, Earth run red. 10-year-old.
A tea bread. Hold on, what's the lyric?
So you have to hear another answer.
Oh, it was a funny question. Earth run red was it says a 10-year-old a tea bird, that's what he says?
On a tea bread.
I look they own a tea and bread.
I must say so.
Earth run well let me tell you how I sing. Earth run red. A tea bread.
Jody, why song say? Tea bread they say. Jody, tell me what song say. Somebody Google the lyrics. This is
anyways. Next question. We have 2 more questions.
All right.
1 more question each.
All right.
Your question, my question.
What is the name of the location the proper name for the location on the South Coast which you can get seafood?
Border.
I know that is not the correct name for the place.
It's the correct name. It's the correct name. So straight, not proper English. Border.
Nikki and Alison right with what? T bread him said, don't it? Actually, the correct name is Middle Quarters.
Hold on. Middle Quarters in the area.
Middle Quarters in name.
Anyway, who tell you that?
Ask mommy. What name?
Cousin's phone.
You see that? Yeah. Mommy then change the name. I never said the name.
No. Stop it, both of them change the name. Okay, so the last question for 21 questions goes something like.
Well, hold on, Ashley. Hold on. No. Hold on. You see what Nikki can say? Nikki can say, I am right. 10-year-old, I look them on a tea bread. No. You see what I tell about mommy? Hello, this one in that family.
Whenever we know say people and this complex will report her.
You know, you see, I'm tell mommy, people say mommy Lord. Mommy Lord. All right, last question.
Okay, last question from me. Okay. Which artist has nothing if she doesn't have you?
Actually, this is a corn question. Whitney Houston.
Oh, I just think you was TC like Whitney Houston.
Yeah, Nikki.
Okay, let's
go her in our live next time,
because she's bad. Okay,
right.
let's see. Let us see if we can take your questions.
Mommy said, who is Raggedy Ann? Lucas. I don't know the answer.
We don't know the answer. Any questions that you guys want to ask us? This is a good time. As we were discussing a short while ago, Tess is the brand manager for Perps Class and Mimosas. She is an influencer. She's a model, right? I'm a journalist, a comedian, and a mother, right? And I have a blog. Well, look how many people might laugh.
Not because you make people laugh, that don't mean say you're a comedian. Don't do that.
Okay, I'm not a comedian, like, professionally, but a comedian from my family.
Yeah, a jovial personality.
Anyway, so I have a blog, liberalja.com. We're currently offering grocery brands for persons who are affected by the pandemic, Jamaican families, right? For the criteria, just go over to our page, Liberal Jamaica, on Facebook and Instagram for details. And please share if you know somebody who needs it.
Who can apply for the grant, yeah. We are doing...
Tell them to visit the page.
Yes. Liberal Jamaica is doing their best to help in this horrible time. A tea bread.
Any update that you want to share?
Boy, me love how me win that question there. A tea bread itself, it's true.
No, but you know, say I said tea bread. I did say tea bread.
Yeah, but you said
I
no,
said,
wala
tea.
But that's
So
not the
in our sense,
lyrics.
I could get like 0.5.
No. Mommy say hello. What's mommy?
Well,
Me tell her say.
guys, mommy is like a big sister. Mommy is not a mommy. What is mommy writing? Mommy say hello.
Yeah, mommy has something else. Mommy used to send email. Mommy used to send email through my website. Tell
Hello, what did you say?
everything. Send it through my website.
Oh God, this was a very successful live. Guys, please share the video so that other people can enjoy it. Our pages are public, so they will see it, right? And we have to do it again.
Yeah, we have to do this again. Assalamu chat. Jesus.
Yeah, it's late.
Oh,
But thank you so much.
Want us to go. Aww.
Oh,
TC is like our little sister. TC is our little sister.
Tika, and Adrian
Tika,
says I need it, but I never get it. What is that?
What you need, but you
What
never
you
get
never?
Adrian, what you need, but you never got. Pumpkin noodles, are you asleep?
Yes, she is.
She's asleep? Okay. Alright, so
Tika
this was
says
a wonderful
culty.
live. You have nothing else to say? Okay. We'll do this again sometime soon. This was fun. And next time I'll try to follow the instructions. Good night.
And next time we'll feature mommy a little bit.
Yes, because mommy, no. You have to put mommy in the next live.
Don't. All right. Bye.
Bye. Love you.